Hey there, lovely folks of the For Real channel. Welcome back to another exciting video. I'm your host, Anna. Today we've got something really cool to talk about, how to score a fantastic free wig from TEMU. And I'm here to guide you through the simple steps to get your hands on some fabulous hair extensions without breaking the bank. But before we dive in, you know the drill. Make sure to hit that like button. If you're ready for some wig wonderful tips, subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on awesome content like this, and leave a comment down below to let us know if you've ever snagged a freebie from TEMU. All right, let's get into it. First things first, to embark on your wiggy adventure, you'll need to create an account on the TEMU app or website. It's super easy, just follow these steps. Step 1, open the TEMU app or head to their website. Step 2, either log in with your existing TEMU credentials or register for a brand new account. Step 3, sign up by providing your name, email address, and phone number. Now you're all set to start browsing and shopping on TEMU. It's that simple. Now that you're officially a TEMU member, it's time to dive into the world of wigs. Step 1, open the TEMU app and tap on the search bar. Step 2, type in wigs and start exploring the vast array of options. Step 3, use filters like color, style, and length to find the perfect wig for you. Take your time to browse and find that wig that'll make you feel like $1,000,000. Now here's the exciting part, getting your wig for free. Step 1, keep an eye out for TEMU as special promotions offering free wigs. Step 2, these deals often pop up for new users, so if you're new to TEMU, your chances are high. Step 3, even if you're an existing user, don't fret, they offer free wig deals for you too. These promotions are typically showcased on the TEMU app and website, so stay vigilant and check daily for those tempting banners. When you spot that golden free wig deal, act fast. Step 1, add your chosen wig to your cart along with any discounts or promo codes. Step 2, at checkout, watch that free wig magically turn into a $0 item. Step 3, double-check your shipping details to ensure a smooth delivery. Now you've secured your free wig. The anticipation builds as you eagerly await your fabulous free wig. Step 1, delivery usually takes around 2 to 3 weeks. Step 2, when it arrives, carefully inspect your new wig. Step 3, try it on, style it, and make sure it's a perfect fit. Don't forget to read the care instructions to keep your wig looking fabulous. Now that you're rocking your new wig, it's time to spread the word. Step 1, take a selfie wearing your TEMU wig and post it on social media. Step 2, tag TEMU and let your friends know about their fantastic deals. More positive reviews mean more free wigs in the future. Don't stop at just one. Keep an eye out for more opportunities. Step 1, continue checking TEMU for new free wig promotions. Step 2, holidays like Halloween are prime times for discounts. Step 3, the more often you check, the better deals you can snag. And there you have it, folks. A foolproof guide to getting your hands on stylish free wigs from TEMU. That's a wrap, my fabulous friends. I hope you've enjoyed this guide on how to score a free wig from TEMU. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to For Real for more fantastic content and leave a comment below to share your thoughts and experiences. And as always, stay fabulous, stay fashionable, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.